Hey, y'all. So this is day 2 of me using Lather Co scalp stimulator oil. And I came outside today so we can get a better view of how the oil saturates in the scalp after the 5-minute process, okay? So let me get the oil. Okay, and we're going to open up the bottle. And let's get to pouring in the spots. Yeah. Just letting it. So, how about we stay on the head, y'all? Make sure you stay on your head. Make sure you put edges. Remember, we do this for 3 to 5 minutes. So that now that I'm outside today, just gonna let it saturate naturally. Remember, we do this for 3 to 5 minutes. So that now that I'm outside today, just gonna let it saturate naturally. Okay, so we're 3 minutes in of our massaging today, and it feels amazing yet again, calming and soothing. While we hit these edges, I'm really loving how it makes your scalp feel for sure, and I really like how it is moisturized. It moisturizes your hair as well. So guys, if you are needing some new oil to try on your hair, I do suggest trying Scalp Stimulator from Bath and Lather Co. Mind you, this is my second day trying it. We're doing this for 30 days. I want you guys to follow along with my journey as we grow my hair back, okay?